Interior lighting is critical to creating convincing renderings of your interior designs. In Lumion, you have lots of options for creating beautiful lighting arrangements. Let's take a look at a few of these intuitive features so that you can start creating beautiful, compelling interior renderings. Lumion has several options for adding interior and exterior lighting to your designs. Features such as spotlights, omni-lights, sunlight, and more all cast beautiful fill lighting, while area lights give you full control to fill and color the light. Strip lights give a cozy glow in tray ceilings, under cabinets, and behind a TV. For the area and line lights, you can find them in the Objects tab. Make sure you're in place mode and that you've selected the lights category. First, let's add an area light to bring the overall brightness of the room up. Try adjusting the brightness and color to achieve the perfect mood and feeling. Next, I will add line lights in the ceiling to achieve a smooth, even, uniform glow. This effect is difficult to achieve with any other light source. The area and strip lights in Lumion give you full control of light fill, temperature, and color. With a moody and emotional setting, you can easily transport your clients into the heart of your design, letting them feel the space and experience their design like never before.